To adjust the text size used for caption on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap caption preference. Tap caption size and style. Next, tap text size. And then select the desired size you like to use. As the example, we will set it to large to increase its readability. By doing this, if you have set to enable the caption, this setting will be applied to live caption and other apps that support the caption preferences. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.